So what's up? Kamusta? Ayos ba tayo dyan? So another Zontes motorcycle na naman ang ating re-reviewin ngayon. So ito naman ang Zontes 400D. Ayan, kita nyo naman. So available nga yan sa Bristol Motorcycle Philippines sa mga naghahanap ng ganitong motorcycle. So tara, ikutan natin saglit para at least malaman nyo kung magkano nga ba ang presyo nito at yung specification nito at kung anong maibibigay ng motor sa inyo. So tara, umpisahan na natin yung mini walk around. Let's go.
All day and all night we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright.
At syempre, di na natin patatagalin ang kanyang specification. Ito ay may single cylinder, naka-single overhead cam na may 4 bulbs at naka-liquid cooled na rin to. Fuel injection na nga rin pala ang isang to. At yung kanyang displacement ay 400cc. Sa mga nagtatanong naman, ano nga ba ang maximum power nito? Ito ay may 28.5 kilowatts at 7,500 RPM na may maximum torque na 40 Nm at 6,000 RPM na may bore and stroke na 79 by 81.8 mm. Engine specs pa lang, panalo ka na, diba? At para naman sa kanyang front suspension, ito ay naka-telescopic fork at meron na rin tong 280mm disc J1 4-piston radial caliper na may ABS na rin. Ang size ng gulong ay 120/70 by 15, naka-tubeless na rin ang isang to. At syempre, hindi papatalo ang kanyang rear suspension. Naka-dual shock absorber na may 220mm disc na may ABS na rin. So tama po, naka-dual channel ABS na tayo dito sa motorcycle na to. Ang size ng rear, 140/70 by 14. Tubeless na rin. At para naman sa kanyang overall dimension, meron itong 2,025 by 790 by 1,190 mm. So wheelbase, 1,405 mm. 760 mm para sa kanyang seat height na may 150 mm ground clearance. Fuel capacity, 12 liters. Meron na rin itong mga other features na traction control bukod sa dual channel ABS. At meron na rin itong TFT display panel na may riding modes na Eco and Sports. All LED lights na nga rin pala ang isang to. Naka-USB charging port na nakakeyless and meron na rin tayong TPMS or Tire Pressure Monitoring System. At para naman sa mga nagtatanong, magkano nga ba ang presyo ng isang to? Ito ay nagkakahalaga ng 348,800. Astig, di ba? Ang mura para sa 400cc. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Bili na. Para sa mga gustong bumili, mag-PM lamang sa aking FB page para ma-assist ko kayo. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we
Yeah. All day and all night we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never run. We hook up in my car, driving so far. Play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, orbit when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on.